Hello. So here's an ink piece I did the other day, and I'm now going to finish colouring it in just a little bit, just to show you. I don't usually talk, so, and you'll have to forgive the shadow as I'm holding my phone. But anyway, I've done most of the left hand side, so I've gone over with some ink. I've used a yellow and then mixed up an orange to do a darker sort of colour to do the shading, just to give a bit of depth to the whole thing and finish it off. It does always help to bring out the details, as when you're using like old school methods, you don't have all the advantages of having a computer with 1,000 different tools and such. So you got to make do with what you got. And I think that will do for now on that. So I'm going to switch over to grey for the top, because obviously she's a sci-fi cat lady, so let's just give it a go. So if we just do the dark bits first, no, it's not very bright, it's more of a green, but that doesn't really matter too much. If you noticed, I'm trying to keep the light bits light and the dark bits dark. I mean, the reason I've actually masked it, as you can see, it's starting to crinkle a little bit. As it dries, the masking tape should keep it from warping. Right. Now let's do the gun, which I'm quite proud of because they're pretty hard to draw. Especially when you're doing perspective. As I say, it's just a matter of starting in the right place, really. And try not to put too much liquid on your brush tip like I've just done, because it has a tend of going a bit nuts and then it's harder to control. I mean, this brush pen things I use are pretty good for that, because they handy to carry around, but they fill up with water very quickly. Sorry, trying to look at what I'm doing and hold the camera at the same time. You must get a stand. Right. Back over there. Okay, I think we're done for the grey now, and it doesn't really matter because I'm kind of working from the cleanest one I want to the dirtiest. I'm just washing the brush a little bit. Go over with a light brown, reminiscent of. Well, that's a little bit too close to the that colour actually. I'll deal with that in a bit. Now I'll go for a peat. Hopefully that should make a difference. I don't know about you. But I'm not 100% happy with that. You see the difference what it makes when you use an actual brush. And I think that's enough to show you today. I mean, if you like, I'll just do the eyes quickly. That'll be it. So I'm going to use a much thinner pen. Very, very carefully. And that's probably your selfish bit. Look this way. Just get a bit of smoke out the gun, sorry. Get it caught away. And